episode 1 of Skytown 7206.
Alright, today we're going to have some fun starting working on our channel. So, first thing is we're going to unbox our video capture machine.
It seems like the zombies and the plants all going again.
Oh no, let's see. Well, luckily we've got Nerf guns.
And
Nerf
swords.
And
Bah! Axes.
Here.
And shields.
Alright, get
Swiss
down.
zombie.
Yeah.
Swiss pea shooter. Swiss pea shoot. No, the pea shooter helped. Okay, we can get now.
Alright, let's get down
I
there.
need my Santa hat back on.
Alright.
The pea shooters, might accidentally shoot me.
Maybe it will.
Ow! He did.
Well, no, it looks like he might have a gun. Alright, we have the HD PVR2 Hodgepodge.
It's going to be fun, this channel.
Alright, sounds good. Above all else, have fun.
And I'm testing Daddy's willpower in a fight.
Nice. Looks like I'm taking a sword to the head. Alright. Okay, let's unbox it.
I'm hoping I'm not going to be like Daddy and rip this open.
You are better at opening things than I am. Alright, let's see all the bits.
You seem to have a plug here. I don't know what that.
No, this is one of the cords. These are all.
A nettle cord.
These are useful cords for.
Some more cords.
Each one of these is
And
for
some
capturing
more cords.
capturing games from a different device. We got.
And some more cords. And some more. And some instructions. I wonder what they say. No, I'm not done unboxing. Oh, that fell out. That's out. No, it's
PVR
that's
quick
not
install guide.
That's not everything in the box. We got
The main
The
meat, meat and potatoes.
the meats and potatoes. Is this a disc for how to use this or something?
That'll be the capture software.
Oh,
We're
the
gonna install
capture
that on your laptop. Luckily, we have your laptop and basic laptop over here for me.
Okay.
Your laptop's under your shield, I think.
Also, the first episode we will be doing on our game ports is Terraria. We will be on my word I did before I started YouTube, but after a little bit I'll go on to a new world
Nice, and it's
and
going
start
to be.
from the beginning.
Guess we're going to do
New
a Christmas world, are we?
Yeah, new characters and everything.
All right, that sounds great.
It won't be a Christmas world, it will be a Terraria world.
But if Christmas happens, it happens.
Yeah, we will put a bunch of Candy Cane stuff. And we switch it to Halloween and Christmas with the dates if we want.
Every now and again in this video, there'll be a surprise attack. A surprise attack!
Yes, there will. And this explains it. Also, this is time for fight number 1.
What? Fight number 1? That doesn't sound like a good idea. Uh-oh. I shouldn't be on the ground. I think I'm going to get... I think my willpower is about to be tested.
Test your willpower. Okay, attack me.
Ah, my arm! I need my video camera arm. Oh, my face! My video camera face, my sweet, sweet face. We really should get Nerf glasses, but I'm going to shoot you anyway. Where's my gun?
Uh-oh. Looks like I'm switching weapons.
I don't know where my gun is. But you don't have any bullets for your gun, so I'm probably safe. All right, you can hold up your Nerf gun, I guess.
I do.
That's my Nerf gun. Your Nerf gun's over here.
Okay, let's go.
Grab your Nerf gun.
Get your sword. No, don't knock over the Christmas tree with
Oh,
the
thanks for giving me a sword, though. That was nice.
We'll fight with swords because we don't really have much ammo. Once we do have ammo, we'll do episode 1 of North.
All right, sounds good.
This
All right.
is pretty much episode 1 of fighting and unboxing at the same time right now.
All right, sounds good. All right, shall we time? Oh, my video camera! Oh, that was the last episode they were able to use the video camera.
Nope.
That's a face of guilty video cam smacking. And today we're also chewing Bubba Gubba Hubba.
I'll get Daddy's and recipes.
Well, isn't it in their box?
Yep.
We have two different
Oh,
flavors.
this is another single unboxing. This
Grape,
and this. I'm already chewing mine.
grape flavor for me. I am chewing mine as well. And
Awesome original.
awesome original. All right.
It's
excellent.
my one.
We're also going to be doing some cooking shows at some point.
I'm sunflower. I'm sunflower.
Grab those cooking utensils. I think in our order of Christmas, we've got a Christmas one, and then we've got a classic Halloween one as well.
We might switch to earlier to Halloween date again so we can see how
All right,
that was.
double sword block. Almost.
I'll get my sword though. Ready?
You're probably going to hit the video camera again. All right, let's... Ah!
This is probably going to be a little bit of a long episode.
That's all right. This is the beginning, and now I guess what we'll do is we'll say goodbye to everybody and start working on setting up those video capture programs.
In a little bit, we will do episode 1 of Terraria. That might be tonight, I'm not sure.
All right, sounds good. Okay, well, let's say goodbye. Above all else, have fun.
Bye. And I'm testing Daddy's willpower by finding him in Terraria.